Welcome to today's New Tech English. Today we are going to watch a budget mobile phone from Oppo brand on our channel. This is a mobile phone box. Front side on the box they have given brand name and model name. Back side on the box they have given color and storage details. This mobile phone's highlighted features: 98 sunlight display, 33 watts fast charging support, 5000 mAh large battery, 300% ultra volume mode. Let's see what's inside the box. Company booklets, mobile phone's transparent case, mobile phone, Type A to Type C charging cable, 33 watts fast charging adapter, Oppo A59 5G. First, let's see display of this mobile phone. 6.5-inch display and 120Hz refreshing rate and 720 nits brightness. This mobile phone has 90Hz sunlight display, so the brightness is very good. And also they have given 8 megapixel selfie camera. Next, you can see the back side of the mobile phone. It was made of glass. This is called glowing silk design. This mobile phone available in two color variants. This color silk gold, another one starry black. This mobile phone has dual camera setup. Primary camera is 13 megapixel, secondary camera is 2 megapixel, and they have given small flash. And this mobile phone's thickness 8.112 mm thickness, and this mobile phone's weight 187 gram weight. The fingerprint sensor is located on the mobile phone right side of the mobile phone. At the bottom side of the mobile phone, speaker grill, Type C charging port and mic, and 3.5 mm audio jack. At the left side of the mobile phone, volume up down button and SIM tray. This mobile phone has 5000 mAh battery with 33 watts fast charging support, 52% charge in 30 minutes, and this mobile phone's operating system is ColorOS 13 based on Android 13. This mobile phone's processor is MediaTek Dimensity 6020 processor and IP54 water and dust resistant support also there. This mobile phone's price: 4GB 128GB storage variant price 14,000, 6GB 128GB storage variant price 15,500. Thank you.